Good day! Thank you for viewing my video all about how to graph a circle in different circumstances. Based on our previous discussions, circle is defined as a set of points that is equidistant to one certain point that is called a center, where radius is the distance of a straight line from a center to any point of the circle. Diameter is based as twice as the radius. Standard form of a circle is x minus h quantity squared plus y minus k quantity squared is equal to r squared. And its general form, which is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. Based on our previous topics, we know how important a circle is. But how can we graph it? So here's an example. So what will we need to draw or graph a circle effectively? First, we need a ruler. Next is a marker. And then the most important one is the compass. So how to graph it? First, what if we have the center located at 0, 0 and a radius of 5? First, we will draw a Cartesian coordinate plane. So we know, based from the given, that the center is located at 0, 0 or at the origin. Then the radius is 5. So, based on the definition of circle, the radius is any point that is equidistant to the center. So, we will just count 5 units away from the center. So, from the center to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there you go. That is the radius of the circle. After that, we will use a compass. So I don't have a bigger compass, so I'll just act like I am having a big compass. So what will you do is this spiky thing, this is what you will point to the center. Then the next line or the part with the pencil, you will point it to the radius. So after you do that, you will just circle it. Then there you will have a center. So the next circumstance is what if we don't have the center, we don't have the radius, but we have the values of d, e, and f in the standard form. For example, we have d is equal to -6, e is equal to 4, and f is equal to -12. So the general form of a circle is x squared plus y squared plus dx plus ey plus f is equal to 0. So what we will do is that we will just substitute the given values d, e, and f in the general form. So x squared plus y squared plus the value of d, which is -6 times x, which is -6x plus 4ey or 4y plus f is equal to -12. So -12 is equal to 0. Then simplify x squared plus y squared minus 6x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So we have x values and y values. So we will just isolate the constants from the coefficients. So we'll associate x squared minus 6x, then the y squared plus 4y, and we will transpose -12 to the right side. So there we have this. But next we will use completing the square. So to complete a square of this given, first the x, we will divide the x by 2. So, for example, this one, -6 divided by 2 is equal to -3. Then we will square it, which is 9. So, to complete this binomial, to this trinomial, we should add 9. But to make the equation correct, we should also add 9 to the right side to let them be equal. Then you will repeat that step on the y value. So If we have 4, we will just divide it into 2, which is 4 divided by 2 is 2. Then you will square it. 2 squared is equal to 4. So we need positive 4 to complete this trinomial. And we will also add 4 in the right side. So we'll just transform it into a perfect square. So x squared minus 6x plus 9 can be written as x minus 3 squared. And the y values can be written as y plus 2 squared. And then we'll just add these constants. 12 plus 9 plus 4 is equal to 25. So this is the standard form of the circle. Based on the standard form, we can easily graph the circle. So we'll get the center first. So to get the center, we will just get the value, the opposite value of the constants inside the values of x and y. So the opposite of negative 3 is positive 3. We'll just equate these values into zeros to get the center. So our center is 3 comma negative 2. So plot it. 1, 2, 3, 1 and 2. So this is the center. Then to get the radius, we know that the isolated part in the standard form of a circle is r squared. So we will equate r squared into the constant even in the standard form. R squared is equal to 25. But we need the radius, so we will square it again. And r is equal to 5. So we again have the radius as 5 units. So we will just plot 5 units from the center. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So D. So you can graph it easily again. You just encircle it using the compass. Next, last problem. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned a lot from my lesson. But then again, I am Felipe R. Goleta III at your service.